In a lesson on the chemical properties of trioxosulfate 4 acid, we explained that like other acids, trioxosulfate 4 acid undergoes neutralization by reacting with alkalis to form salts and water only. The salts formed during this process are called the trioxosulfate 4 salts. In this lesson, you will learn about the preparation of trioxosulfate 4 salts. You'll also learn about some of their properties. Like other salts, trioxosulfate 4 salts can also be prepared through the neutralization reaction of an alkali and an acid. The acid used in this case is trioxosulfate 4 acid. For example, to prepare potassium trioxosulfate 4, potassium hydroxide can be reacted with trioxosulfate 4 acid as shown in the chemical equation here. An alternative method of preparing trioxosulfate 4 salts is to replace the trioxosulfate 4 acid used in the neutralization reaction with sulfur 4 oxide gas. As shown in the chemical equation here, sodium hydroxide can be reacted with sulfur 4 oxide gas to prepare sodium trioxosulfate 4. This can be achieved by bubbling sulfur 4 oxide gas through a solution of sodium hydroxide. Now let's discuss some of the chemical properties of trioxosulfate 4 salts. If a mixture of trioxosulfate 4 salts and an acid such as hydrochloric acid is heated, the reaction that occurs will lead to the formation of 3 products, which are water, salt, and sulfur 4 oxide. For example, if a mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and sodium trioxosulfate 4 is heated in a flask, you will observe the liberation of a colorless gas, which is sulfur 4 oxide. This reaction is used in the laboratory preparation of sulfur 4 oxide, as explained in our lesson on laboratory preparation of trioxosulfate 4 acid. Another chemical property of trioxosulfate 4 salts we would like to consider is that they eventually get oxidized to form tetraoxosulfate 6 salts when exposed to the air. And sodium trioxosulfate 4 will be slowly oxidized to sodium tetraoxosulfate 6 when exposed to the air for some time. To help you remember the key points from this lesson, let's do a quick summary of what we have discussed so far. Trioxosulfate 4 salts can be prepared through the neutralization reaction between an alkali and trioxosulfate 4 acid. It can also be prepared by bubbling sulfur 4 oxide gas through an alkaline solution. Trioxosulfate 4 salts react with acids to liberate sulfur 4 oxide gas when heated. They eventually get oxidized to form tetraoxosulfate 6 salts when exposed to the air. This is where this lesson ends. Please join us again soon. Goodbye.